Hey guys, Matt from Eastwood. We're here in my home garage talking about the Eastwood Contour Polyester Glazing Putty. Now this glazing putty is kind of your final step with doing all your body filler and your body work before you put your primer on. No matter how good you are at spreading filler, you're going to end up getting pinholes or minor sanding scratches that you need to fill, and you don't want to mix up a big batch of normal body filler that oftentimes is a little too thick and is going to give you trouble to get into those really small pinholes or sanding scratches. By using a glazing putty, it is a much smoother compound that when you mix it together, it's more creamy and is going to flow into small little imperfections in the panel, and you can use it to coat large areas to get a nice final blocked out smooth finish, or you can use a razor blade or a small body filler spreader to fill in and get in those tight little areas. You can basically squeeze this in, take 90% of the glazing putty off, and you're going to force the putty right into those pinholes and sanding scratches and imperfections that you're going to know is not going to come back out after you spray your primer. So that's the Contour Glazing Putty that you will need when doing your final body work. You can get this in 2 sizes, and both of these will help you get your body work laser straight. Thanks guys, catch you later.